DIY with Ollie! Arts, crafts, yummy treats, lots to do, lots to eat. Come and join in the fun. Let's get making, let's get baking, let's get arty and messy. DIY with Ollie.com.
Welcome to DIY with Ollie. Today we're gonna make a fuzzy chicken jar. You can use it to hold all your pizza. Today we're gonna need orange, white, black felt, fuzzy yellow yarn, scissors, paintbrush, Mod Podge, and a jar. Now cut the felt into these shapes. A little tiny white circles, big black circles, a triangle, and chicken feet. Now put some Mod Podge on the jar and wrap it around with the yarn. Phew, that takes a lot of time to wrap. Yay, we can glue the face on. Ta-da! You can use it to put markers, crayons, and even pencils. Like and subscribe if you think chickens are cute.